Are you a fashion designer with no models to model your creations? Let me show you in simple steps how I used an AI image generator to showcase my designs and outfits for free using just my smartphone. For more content like this, like, subscribe, and watch the end of this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have your smartphone. You're watching this video, so definitely you have a smartphone. You don't need a laptop to do this. You don't need an iOS device to do this. I'm actually using my Android device. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have the image of the outfit or the dress you want the AI to model for you. It could be for a male or it could be for a female. Now, if you don't have a mannequin to model the dress, no big deal. Just take a good picture of the dress on a flat surface, on a flat background, that the background is not interfering with the dress. Or if you have a mannequin, bravo, take the picture of the mannequin putting on the dress. You are good to go. So I'm going to use this particular dress that I downloaded from Pinterest, and also I'm going to use this image of this dress. So we're going to create AI models putting on this two outfits. Then the next thing you're going to have is you're going to download ChatGPT app. Yes, I said app, not the website. You're not going to the website. The reason why you want to download ChatGPT app is so that you're going to always have an opportunity to just log into the app and ask ChatGPT to create a model for you, putting on your dress. And it's as simple as that. So next thing you need again is a prompt. A prompt is simply an instruction or a command you give the AI to follow. So let's now go to ChatGPT. So once you're on ChatGPT just like this, I'll advise you to log in with your email address so that you can be able to come back to recreate a prompt, to re-edit a prompt, or generate another model using the prompts you just created. So I'm just going to come here and I'll click on this plus sign. Now once you click on this plus sign, you're going to come here and you're going to click on photos just like so. Once you click on photos, it's going to bring you to your gallery on your device. Then you're going to select the photo of your choice. I'm going to select this particular photo and I'll click on done. Then you're going to come here to this place that shows ask anything, and you paste the prompts you have. Now, if you ask me where is the prompt, how will I know the prompts? Don't worry, I've made things very easy for you. Just to copy and paste and edit it to suit what you want. I said place this dress on an African model with coily hairstyle, red lipstick, and a size 10 body in a nice background. The dress should look just like the one in the photo. So you can edit this prompt. So you just join my WhatsApp channel and copy the prompt. The prompt is there. Then you click on this icon here to send it to ChatGPT. Now, one warning, this is going to take several minutes, few minutes before it's created. Also, ChatGPT has a limit that you can ask, a limit of requests you can ask in a day. That should not be something you should worry about, because at the end of the day, you can always come back the next day and you say I have free credits. You don't need to pay for this. That's the beautiful thing of it. Now, for the background, don't also worry. I'm going to show you an app, an AI app that is for free that you can use to have or to create backgrounds for your models, and it is totally free, 100% for life. All you need to do is to join my WhatsApp channel right now as I'm watching this video, so that you have access to the AI app and also have access to the prompts I'm using to create these images. Now look at how beautiful this came out, just like the dress image we showed, and our hands are even out. And look at the background. Now if you like this background, good and fine. If you don't, I will teach you how to change the background. So you just need to click on this image just like this, and you just need to come down here and click on this save icon here to save this image, this beautiful image. and then image downloaded. If you want to edit it, if you want, maybe you do not like the details that the ChatGPT brought, that is also not a problem. You can always go ahead to edit or recreate your prompt. So let's try the second image. So I'm going to go to my gallery again, and I'm going to choose the second image, this particular one, and I'll click on done. Then I'm going to paste my prompt, but this time around I'm not going to put a size 10 body. I'll put a size 8 body, and I'll say in a nice background. The dress should look just like the one in the photo, and I'm going to change the hairstyle. I'll say place this dress on an African model with an afro bomb hairstyle. I just want to show you that you can always edit any of the prompts you copied. Afro bomb red hairstyle, red lipstick, and a size 8 body on a nice background. Then I'll click on send to send it to ChatGPT. And just like before, we're going to wait for it to show getting started, then to show creating image, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Now look at the outcome of this. So you don't need to say you don't have a model or you're not having a good fashion studio. That's the reason why you're not having beautiful pictures to display on your social media platform. So look at this model generated by AI that is modeling a dress image that I actually took from Pinterest. So yeah, I'm just going to click here to save, and this is saved. So I love the background, but let me show you now how to use the app I have that is free forever, and that you can use on your smartphone to generate more backgrounds. Now we are on this app, and you can see I usually use the app to create a lot of things, create my thumbnails and all that. So on this app, make sure this is on create. You are on create, then you are going to scroll up here, just scroll up, and then you're going to determine the social media platform you want to share this image on. If it is on Instagram, you know the Instagram has a 1:1 aspect. What I mean is it's always like in a square. If you are sharing a post, your image has to be in a square. If it's not in a square shape or in a square ratio, Instagram is going to shrink your image and you're not going to like the outcome. But if you want to share to reel or story, it should be in like 9:16, something like this. This same ratio also works for this particular 1:1, or this square, perfect square, also works for Facebook post. This one here, Instagram Reels or Instagram Story, also work for TikTok. So you can also swipe to see that there are also other options. That is the TikTok option, the TikTok thumbnail, and the like. So let me say I'm using the Instagram post. I'll just click on this Instagram, and then I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on insert. Then once I insert, it's going to take me to my gallery, and then I'm going to pick any of the models. Let me pick this particular one, or rather let me pick this first one I did prior to now. I'll pick this first one and allow it to scan the image, and it will bring you here just like this. Now see this, I'm going to adjust this to come down so that a leg is not standing suspended in the air. Then I'm going to still click on the same image just like this. I'll just click on it, and I'll come here and click on the light option. Now, like I said, to get access to this app for free, just join my WhatsApp channel. The app is already there. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to click outside this box, this background. I'll click outside the background, and then I'm going to choose change background here. Once you choose change background, you will now click on AI background. Once you click on AI background, it's going to load different options for you. Now, unlike a lot of your AI apps, this one does not have a limit. It means you can always regenerate backgrounds as many times as possible in a day. Now look at the different backgrounds it's bringing for me. See how beautiful the backgrounds are. I can decide to go with this. I can decide to scroll down to see more backgrounds. Now look at most backgrounds it's bringing, or I can pick the first one and I can look at the options it's bringing, and look at these backgrounds are beautiful already. See how beautiful they are. Then I can also edit my background. They say a person wearing a dress on a street corner with a bustling city in the background. You click here to edit if you want to edit this background if you want, or you just go ahead and pick in on the background. I'll pick this particular one here because I don't want the center of attention to be taken from her. And then I'm going to click on done. So this is Instagram worthy. So then I'll click on this insert here, or export. I'll click on that export, and I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to click on save to gallery. So this is exactly what to do, and automatically you have your image saved to your gallery. So if you watch my video to this point and you're not yet subscribed and you are a fashion designer, you're going to be missing out, because when I'll be showing you a lot of ways to change the narrative of your business in 2025, you're going to be missing out. So tag your fashionistic friends or fashion designer colleagues and let them come and see this video ASAP. So this is all for me for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in a subsequent video. Bye for now.